Welcome to the research world. This is employees' data of a particular company containing employees' ID, names, department, and salaries. In this data, there are errors of duplication. For example, an employee. Ali has been recorded 4 times mistakenly, and correcting manually would take time. So how to remove duplicated entries? Select the data and then go to Data tab. Click on Remove Duplicates and press OK. All duplicated values has been removed with a single click.